Good evening, and welcome to Grails. What's Grails, you say? Well, let me talk to you. Grails. Grails is a shoe that we all want, or that you just want, that you couldn't get, didn't want to pay resale, didn't want to pay the money to get them, or it wasn't available at your disposal at that time. That's Grails. Grails is an all-time shoe that you've always wanted, but never could get your hands on. That's what Grails is. And today, we're going to talk about Grails and my Grails. Here we'll be doing a whatever part series of Grails. Go down a long line of shoes that I wanted, shoes that I needed, and shoes that's going to warm my soul. If on this journey you so happen to find Grails that you would like, do me a favor, go to my Instagram, tag me in. My Instagram is blackedoutkickz. It will be on the screen somewhere up here on the screen. And hey, tag me in the post. Let me know what's your Grails. Hey, leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Grails. Yes, another episode that I'm kind of doing different this time. One, I want to put this question out there to y'all. Will this shoe be a Grail? I say that because it's one-off. It's one of those ones that we haven't seen. What's that? I'm lost for words, but it's one of those shoes we haven't seen. It's one of those newer to the scene. We've seen it in a high top, but we haven't seen it in a low top. So what I want to present to y'all is a shoe that I think that's going to be a Grail. We have shoes that we haven't seen that sit often now, go for lower right now because the sneaker market is down. And also, with this being said, something I'm saying that might be a Grail, it just might be something you look back and be like, dang, I wish I had a pair. One, because nobody really messed with this shoe. And two, the history of this shoe. I think people are really going to want this shoe later in life. So with that all being said, I want to get into the shoe. I want to talk about the shoe. And I want to bring y'all on this journey with me. I think this shoe will be one. And yo, I say this shoe, if y'all know, I don't know if y'all know the box, but I say that to say that the shoe is going to be one of those shoes that you see on somebody's feet and you like, man, what are those? And where did they get them from? I caught these for still on GOAT for around 110, 130, 140-ish, around there after shipping and all the stuff came through. So I think not me necessarily it will be a Grail. That's why I'm putting it on my Grail series. I could have just did a regular review on this. I think it's a sleeper, and I think it's one of those shoes that something of this type of shoe should be in your collection. It's just one of those. And if y'all know me and y'all know how I get down, I like different. I don't want to see nobody in the shoe that I'm wearing. Hence, that's why you see some of the shoes in my background. So if you get a chance, check this shoe out. If not, hey, I'm sorry if you don't like it or if this is not something you're really into. Me personally, I think it's going to be a great shoe for the future. Maybe not now, but definitely a great shoe for the future. Definitely one of those shoes you're going to look back and say, dang, I wish I would have got a pair of them. Or why I never got a pair when you see them in hand. So let's talk about this shoe. Let's get into it. We'll start off by white dark royal blue sail. It is that time of the year for shorts and long socks and lows. So this is a low, but this is an AJKO1 low. So bam. Like I said before, shout out to GOAT, because I got these off of GOAT for the low. And let's get into this shoe. We all know this shoe is just one of those shoes, man. Let's get into it. Bam. Got the GOAT verified, the GOAT badge, all that good stuff. This shoe has been out, I want to say, for around, I think this shoe came out last year. But let's look at the shoe. Let's get into the shoe before I go into any details or anything of that matter. Let's get into the shoe. Bam, bam, bam. So, white, blue, Kentucky colors, man. Clean, clean, clean. Like I said before, y'all know I like my lows. I'm not gonna give y'all a shoe that I don't think that I'll ever wear. This is a shoe that I definitely see myself wearing. This shoe was definitely produced last year, around the end of last year. So these released earlier this year. I want to say a month or two ago, around, we're going to June, April, May, June. So around April, if I'm not mistaken, April, somewhere up in there, early May, this shoe was released. So bam, bam, bam. Here you go. You got the AJKO Kentucky blue, baby. Y'all see it, Kentucky blue. Yes, I say this will be one of those shoes that you'll be like, man, when did those ever come out? If I'm not mistaken, and don't please, I'm not the greatest on shoe history, but I think AJKOs always came in high top, and I think Union LA did the first lows with the snatch off sides. If I get a picture, I'll put it up somewhere there. Did the snatch off sides and the different stuff. I think they did the first lows, and since then we've been getting a lot of lows. And like I said before, I know collabs are great, but I think this shoe will definitely be one of the ones that stand the test of time, and a shoe that you'll be like, man, why didn't I get when I seen them? As you know, in that AJKO fashion, you got the materials here, man. Y'all hear it. Y'all hear it. You got those materials. The bottom comes in that light sail color. Bam, that AJKO bottom. I honestly think these look like a Converse to me. Just me throwing this out there, it looked definitely like a Converse. But I definitely see a lot of wear in this. It's white. It's white and blue, man. I don't have a lot of white and blue shoes. I'm more on the darker side. I got some racer blues and different stuff like that. But just something low I could throw on and sneak something in, man, that nobody's gonna think what these are what they are. So like I said before, that's why I'm putting this in the GRAIL series, man. This shoe just stands out, man. It says a lot. It definitely says a lot, and I think you can get a lot of wears in this. Just some dope colors, and this might not be your GRAIL. It might not be the person next to you GRAIL. Hell, it might not be anybody GRAIL. But will it be 4 or 2 to 3 years down the line? Will it be one of those shoes that just disappear? Or will Jordan, Nike just start releasing more colors of this? It is a color of this, of the, I want to say, silver toe, with the black with the silver toe on it, out already. I don't know. Y'all tell me. Y'all be the judge. Yo, I think this is a great shoe. You got the AJKO on the back side. I think this is a shoe, and I honestly think down the line this will be a GRAIL. That's why it's going in my GRAIL series. So if you think different, please leave a comment. Please let me know. I'm open for suggestions, or open to see what you think. Man, I just want to know what you think of these. Let me know. If these was flew under the radar for you, let me know. If these was something that's on your radar and you didn't know if you wanted to cop them, I'm here to tell you now, should be a cop. Quality. And y'all know I'm all for quality. So if there's something that definitely is something that you feel like you need to get, I definitely suggest getting it. It's one of those. It's one of those shoes, man. It's one of those shoes. I'm not a fan of the high top. I'm gonna go on record and say I'm not a fan of the high top AJKOs. They're coming out with some dope colors. Matter of fact, I think it's a color like that they're coming out with sooner than later. So if you are interested in these shoes, please go to GOAT. They're sitting on GOAT for low. eBay got them for low. So anywhere you look for these, I think they retail is around retail, I think is around 110 for these, 110, 120 for these. So they're definitely going under retail right now. They definitely are. I think I paid a little bit more because I wanted them shipped to me. I didn't want to wait. So definitely, if you see this shoe, I think it's a shoe you should grab. Definitely a great low top. Definitely looking like a Converse owned by Nike. So it is what it is. But definitely a shoe, definitely a good looking shoe. And if you into shoes like these lows, Jordan 1 lows, I think you'll definitely want to cop these. And like I said before, is this a Grail? I don't know. You be the judge. Anyway, this your boy Blacked Out Kickz coming to y'all with another video. And hey, do me a favor, let your haters look in your past while you continuously look to the future. Hey, once again, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, no matter what, always find a way to get your blessings. Hey, we out.
Yeah.